Yeah, it's Youngin, Young Page, 2015. Story of my life, Part 7. All my life hopping down to the ground though, filled up with all the stress and this pain though. Every time I wake up it feels like it's just another day of stress, another day of pain. But everything is just always the fucking same. I just can't even think anymore though, my mind's going crazy. I just don't even know no more. It feels like I'm the only one in this world. With a cold world I'm in, everything around me is just happening. Damn, I don't even know though. I close my eyes and I still see these visions though. They just played in my head like a movie, flashbacks. Everything is just so crazy. I don't even know though. I don't wanna think about it. I just want it all to go though. Yo,
It's killing the beat, man.
it's Youngin. How about
It's killing the beat, man.
I said my first name tonight, my last name's Page. Waking up to all the stress, waking up to all this pain, feeling like everything is not gonna be okay. But when you just feel like it's not even the same anymore, just open up another door to a whole new life. What a day that hasn't been though. Now you're sitting in your room with your head down, music playing so loud, trying to find all these words now, trying to write them hard down, but you not in the right mind, cause if your mind is going crazy every damn time you just look in the mirror. You wonder what's next for your life though, that everything is so insane that you feel like you're falling apart, just trying so hard to find a new start, asking yourself, who am I? Cause it feels like that I'm just losing, but I'm just not in the right mind. I just feel like I'm just a different person, trying to fit in a whole nother world that I'm just not used to. And it feels like I don't even exist in this world anymore. So who am I? Yeah, it's Youngin, Young Page.